Hi students, good morning to all of you. As per you knew that is today classes I will start the one more small lesson, that is the unit 5, second one sub lesson, that is clothes. Clothes is a very simple lesson student. We are wear everyday clothes. Yes, so we have to discussing about that clothes now. And then students, uh, human beings are the only living things who wear the clothes. Yes or no? Yes, because animal except human, animals and plants do not need any clothes. Animals and plant except human, the remaining animals and plants, they do not need any cloth. Only human needs the clothes. Keep in your mind, this is very important point student. Okay, and one more student, these cloths are there. These cloths we have to prepare some other things, some other materials. So we have to classify these clothes, which materials they are coming. So these materials are can be classified into two important fibers, that is natural fiber and artificial fiber. Natural fiber and artificial fiber. Fibers mean what? Cloths. Fiber means what? Cloths. So we have to wear every day. Many people wear the clothes. So that clothes we have to classify two. One is the natural fiber, another one is the artificial fiber. So natural fiber means what? Which fibers we call natural fiber? Those natural fibers comes from there naturally, that those fibers are called, or those cloths are called natural fiber. And one more student, these natural fibers we have to classify two again. One is the fiber obtained from the plants, another fiber obtained from the animal. Just very simple trick is there student. Natural fiber, again they are classified by which fiber obtained from plants, that is one classification, and one more fiber is obtained from animals, that is another classification. Okay, first we will study about only natural fiber. After completing the natural fiber, we will study the artificial fiber. Okay, one more student, and it does not matter with what fibers are used for marketing making clothes. We use the clothes cover our body, that much only. Some people are thinking that it does not matter which fiber we use to wear making the clothes, but some people are use the clothes to cover our body, that clothes protect us from the cold, wind, rain and sun heat. This is very important. Why we are wearing the clothes? Because the clothes cover our body, and clothes protect us from cold, wind, rain and sun heat. This is very important student. This is very important. If there anyone you ask why we are wearing clothes, uh, basically you have to tell scientific answer. Don't tell their murmur answer. Okay. Okay, this one this is totally is there. I will tell you next one. Something wrong is there here. Okay, I turn the next page. Here there are two natural fiber. Just look you student here. Natural fiber, there are again two classification: fiber obtained from plants, fiber obtained from animals. So the most important fibers obtained from plants is this one. Which one is? Cotton. It is this cotton. The most important fiber obtained from plants is cotton. Not only cotton, the most plants they are preparing fiber from banana also, hemp and jute. These are also give us fiber. Keep in your mind. Okay, so natural fibers obtained from plants, which are those are examples are cotton plants, banana plants, hemp plants, jute plants. Okay, next one, fiber obtained from animals. But keep in your mind, these two are the natural fiber. But we have to classify it again too. Some fibers come from plant, some fibers obtained from animals. So plants is completed. Now fibers obtained from animals. Most animals have thick covering of hair on their body. So this hair is used for fiber to weave the clothes. The most commonly used animal fiber is obtained from is sheep, student. Have you seen sheep? Sheep have thick covering of hair of their bodies. That covering hair we are used to weave the clothes. The hair covering the sheep body is known as fleece. We get wool, that is called wool from the flesh. People living in the cold countries that use the woolen cloths. And now here also that when the winter season will become, we wear the woolen cloths. Why? Because woolen protect us from the cold. That's why we are using. So fiber obtained from animals, example sheep also. And except sheep, which one? We are get your mother or woman's wear the silk sari, that is also come from animals. Here look that picture, student. The man is taking fleece, that is wool from the sheep, and here silkworm. Silk is come from the silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Using this silk, we prepare the silk sari. So these are the fibers obtained from the animals. I hope you are understood, student. The next class I will tell to you man-made fiber. This one. Okay. I hope you are understood this one. If you don't understood this one video, you have to read this textbook again and again. Then you will be perfect because easy is there. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.